question, communication through text messaging and other instant forms of online communication is short and basic. Some people think this will be the death of grammar and spelling. How far do you agree or disagree with this view? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer. In an era characterized by instant communication through text messaging and various online platforms, concerns have arisen regarding the detrimental impact of these technologies on grammar and spelling. Some argue that these modern forms of communication will lead to the decline of linguistic precision. However, I firmly disagree with this view and contend that these technologies do not herald the death of grammar and spelling. Rather, they adapt language to suit the needs of a fast-paced digital world. Firstly, it is essential to recognize that language is inherently dynamic and has evolved over centuries to adapt to changing communication needs. The emergence of text messaging and online communication is merely the latest chapter in this ongoing evolution. In fact, these platforms have spawned their unique linguistic conventions, often characterized by brevity and informality. While this may seem like a departure from traditional grammar and spelling norms, it is, in essence, a new form of linguistic expression. For instance, acronyms like LOL and BRB serve as efficient substitutes for longer phrases, enabling quicker exchanges without necessarily undermining grammatical understanding. Furthermore, the argument that modern communication leads to the death of grammar and spelling overlooks the fact that many individuals can effectively switch between informal online discourse and formal writing. It is essential to recognize the adaptability of language users in navigating these diverse linguistic contexts. For example, someone who frequently uses text messaging abbreviations may effortlessly transition to writing a formal email or academic paper with proper grammar and spelling. Just because someone can use online abbreviations and terms does not mean that he or she lacks the grammatical and spelling aptitude. In conclusion, while text messaging and online communication may introduce new conventions and informality, they do not signal the demise of grammar and spelling. Instead, they reflect language's ability to evolve and adapt to contemporary communication needs without affecting the formal part of it.